Hi, Carly. I want to talk to you real quick about this email. So basically, what I got is this. I took, uh, I went to a website. Where's your email at? I went to this link right here. I'm gonna put website I took from, and I took some different pieces out of it. So basically, I'm looking for this. Get your exercise on, no sleep, moderate your alcohol intake, and more fruits and vegetables. These are like 4 points I want to talk about. And the topic of the email is, boost your immune system. Okay. And I think the only thing that I didn't take that came from me was this one. This one's directly from me. Okay. So basically, how I'm looking to do this is a call to action towards my online training. I have my online training that has launched, and basically I'm taking donations. 50% of the money is going to go towards my coaches so I can pay them, and 50% is going to go towards a small business. I want to land people into this page, and I want to use these 4 points. So I'll just give you a glimpse of how it works. Get your exercise on, no sleep, moderate your alcohol intake, the more fruits and vegetables, right? And then, the vibe from there as well. I hope this helps. Sincerely, William. P.S. We know you're stuck in the house. Online training, come join us, right? And then I'll go to insert that flyer, right? The one with the times in the class. So like these points got to be so thorough that it makes people click into this online training realm and sign up. And I think it's going to really help my business because people are going to donate, because I'm going to donate to help other local businesses, but at the same time, it's going to help me as well. So what I'm asking for you is this, and I kind of put it in the email. Can you take the paragraphs and edit them so they're not copywritten? Can you cater it to Savoy Fitness? So example, get your exercise on. One of the biggest point that I like about our gym is that it's more than 60 minutes, right? So talk about, that exercising helps, but also at the same time, there's COVID going on, right? So then, maybe this get your exercise on enters into the last point. Um, the last point, which is the online training. And I kind of wanted to put this in here, um, except I wanted to crop out the part that said flip over to awesomeness. I wanted to crop that out. Um, so that's kind of what I'm looking for, Carly. Like, I just want you to take these paragraphs, make them bigger, make them better. And again, I don't want to copy somebody. And if you have more points, maybe I put, maybe Carly has more. We can go from there. But again, Carly, when I do these emails, I mean, I don't know what the bandwidth, again. Like, I give you my pieces, you just edit it because you can write faster than me. I can speak it well. I can't write it. That's always been a struggle for me from the beginning. But that's all. This email is going to debate. The purpose of the email is, you know, just to help people, just to inform them on what to do with their immune systems, and I'll have a small opt-in towards online training, right? But I really want to get, this is my, the purpose is to give. I want to give you something. I'm going to give you some things that you can do since you're stuck in the house. Or maybe you have another article that talks about some other things. But yeah, I just want to kind of simple to the point. And then I'm actually going to launch another email on Tuesday that really directs my online training. So other than that, is this doable for you? And I'd like to launch it Friday. I don't know what your timeline is. Keep me posted. Thank you.